Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're having a quick look at PUDGY penguins today. And the reason why I think there could be upside along the way, and I'm talking about November, December of this year, I think that we're going to see Bitcoin ride high. I think we're going to see Bitcoin make its last wave, and therefore altcoins make its last particular wave too around that time of the year. And we're going to look at some other gems in this video too, a couple of coins that you might also like. Before we start, check out my Patreon if you really want to lock into this market. We've only got 7 free Crypto Legends slots available. This will give you early alpha opportunities, and we just literally dropped one in my Discord, and people are already up 47%. You can see it's this coin here, base bonk. They got in at 104k liquidity and 0.0005358. The coin is now up 40% in just one day. Anyways, PUDGY penguins. 0.03613, $2.27 billion market capital. And if this market does like top out where I think it could, which is effectively, the end of cycle target. And the end of cycle target is where we go all the way up to about 140k for Bitcoin. We hit the top of our cycle because traditionally, every time Bitcoin has hit its top was either November or December of any given 4-year cycle. So every 4 years, it doesn't matter which year, it's either November or December where Bitcoin has pretty much hit the top. And that's why we usually see altcoins also kind of follow through as well, replicate the entire, because if you look here, it was January, just a little bit afterwards actually, and if you look over here, it was November, which was around basically when Bitcoin ended. So the end of cycle target for altcoins could be around 5 trillion. I think could be a good area to look at, and that would be somewhere I'm pretty happy with for altcoins to finish. So if you think Bitcoin to go up at the end of the year, then alts should also hopefully go up as well a little bit towards the end of the year. The market's getting more exciting. So anyways, so PUDGY penguins still pushing out a lot, networking, exhibiting, partnering up with a bunch of awesome, projects and things. You can see they're pushing out hard in Asia as well, which is crazy to see. So much support as well and love for the coin. And then they really love their coins, especially where it becomes like tangible, where you can have a teddy bear, you have a mascot, and you have like a real character. They love this sort of thing. So here is PUDGY penguins, the website itself. And in general, I do think there is some upside. And I think where we could finish for PUDGY penguins. And if you're new here, by the way, please subscribe, like. If you do a subscribe, that'd be very, very helpful. I do think PUDGY can make its way up to about 0.056 at the end of this cycle. Yeah, it probably feels like a random number, but if we do get memes and alts pump one more time, that's where I kind of expect it to finish. And then we go back down. 2026 could be the year of the bear. We can't be green all the time. I've been green for a long time. I think, we could be slowly closing in on becoming more and more, leaning towards bear market phase after we have our end of year pump. Other coins that look really solid right now, you got base bonk looking very, very good. 140k liquidity, 741k market cap. Now the rumor goes that Shiba token might tweet out about this. Just a rumor, heard about it, nothing crazy, okay? So base bonk is basically bonk on the base chain. That's why it's interesting. The market cap is very, very low. Base chain is very, very popular. No taxes, liquidity burn, 1 billion total supply. So I will drop that CA down below, or just the charts over here, so you can have a look yourself at this coin. And I personally do think we could see upside. Not financial advice, of course, but we dropped this coin into the ultra early alpha group earlier, talking about this at 104k liquidity and 466k MC. And right now, the MC is actually higher, up to 742k. So we are seeing good trajectory, and we called this at this blue line right here. Furthermore, we've got token 6900. If you're bullish on pre-sales, if you're bullish on ICOs, or SPX 6900, this coin could be one that's interesting for you right now. They've raised 1.836 million. One coin is 0.006925, and we might pump higher. If you connect your wallet, you can use things like MetaMask, Best Wallet, or Wallet Connect to buy some of these coins and hold them until the token generation event occurs. Once that does happen, you can basically claim them into your wallet, deposit them into your wallet, and sell them on exchange or wherever they list. Probably going to be Uniswap being an ERC20 token. But in general, yeah, really degen-y, really memey, quite a fun looking coin. So this could also be one that's worth diversifying into. Before we head off, check out Bitchnix, guys. The exchange is down below. We'll be talking about this exchange quite a lot this week. They've got new sign-up bonuses for new users. Also, very good fees, globally accessible, and also no KYC at the same time. So no better time to be signing up to Bitchnix. Have a look at them down below. Sign up in a few seconds. And yeah, guys, all the links are down below that you need. Do consider becoming a patron if you want to make some wins in the market. Quick example of some recent wins are in my trading group here, the Discord, which you can join the Discord for free, by the way. So the Discord is free. Just click down below. But if you want the alphas, if you want all the juicy, the best analysis, which can help you make some gains, then yeah, for sure, become a patron. And like I say, the space is limited. There isn't much space. There's 7 legend packages available. There's like 18 crypto champion packages available, and there's quite a few crypto warrior ones available. So there's still space, but if you want the real big one, crypto legend is the one. The link is down below. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Wish you guys a wonderful, wonderful day, and be sure to become part of the Discord, because we will be talking a lot about bear market strategy, how to make big money in the bear market, and how to win in the bear market scenario. So it's really, really, you know, it's really hard to time, but we can use data. I'd rather trust the data than someone's word, okay? Anyway, see you soon. Peace.